Hey, it's Mama Moonstar. Friday night, January 9th, 2026, Canandaigua, New York. I'm standing in here by my kitchen stove on the 6th floor of my apartment building, and the vent up here above the stove isn't on. But with the wind gust we have with the high wind advisory out this evening, there's times I can hear the wind actually blowing on the rooftop above me through the vent above the stove. We have 25 to 30 mile an hour winds and 50-mile-an-hour gusts possible. Pretty wild how you can hear it through the vent and also at times through the vent in my bathroom, and some things rattling and blowing across the rooftop.